Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how OpenAI GPT-3 model developed this old school snake game just based on one sentence which I gave to it. And let me show you how I've done that. So we're going to openai.com. Now we're going to the API and here we need to log in or sign up. Now we're going to the playground and here we have a field where we can ask. So please create a Python program with a classic snake game. Please display playing field using the Pygame library. The snake should move in the direction of the pressed buttons to the left or right, and please display a score on the playing field. And let's see which kind of models do we have. So we have a latest DaVinci model, and we also have a creativity level, which is called temperature. So let's give the maximum creativity to the level 1. So let's put the maximum length to the 500, but I think you can put 1000. And let's create. Now we need to wait a bit while the OpenAI model will create a Python code for us. Sometimes you need to press submit button just to let OpenAI model to continue building the code. And while we're waiting, let's subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Okay, code is almost ready. Let's press submit button last time and let's wait just a second. And here we are. That's the code of the game. Let's just copy entire text here, copy, and let's go to the Visual Studio now. Okay, we're going to the Visual Studio. Let's create a new file. Let's call it game.py and let's paste the Python code here. Okay. Now let's see, we need to deploy the Pygame library. Okay, let's go to the terminal and let's create a new virtual environment. Python 3 -m venv env. Okay, let's use Python inside of env. Now let's activate it. Env bin activate, and here we are. Now let's install Pygame. Wait a bit, and it takes a bit of time. Now it's done. Okay, now we can run the code. Let's just press the play button. Okay. Yeah, here we are. That's a game. So you can see it's playing straight away like the code. We didn't change anything. So the snake is running and it's eating the fruits or food, and its length is increasing and also the score is increasing. So everything working. So it means like entire gameplay is in place, which is awesome in my perspective. But I think the speed of the snake is very slow, right? So let's increase the speed a bit. So let's check the code. Pressing escape button, and let's go and check where we can increase the speed. Let's scroll down. It's like the gameplay, and yeah, here we have a ticker of the, I think it's like a cycle timer. So let's increase it to 50. And wow, that's fast now. That's too fast. Whoa, I can't even get the food. Oh, done. One more. No, that's too fast. We need to, oops, collapse with the wall. And we can keep improving the game more and more, but I think I gave you the main idea how to build your own game using OpenAI GPT-3 model. So if this video was useful for you, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to make a few more videos about game development using OpenAI. So see you in the next video, and bye for now.